Introduction to Blender 2.8 Gadgets and Gizmos. Blender 2.8 has more viewport visibility controls than 2.79, all of which are located in the rightmost side of the header in the 3D viewport. The View Objects Types drop-down menu allows you to hide all objects by type, and you can disable selection of all objects by type. The Gizmos drop-down menu allows you to disable or enable various gizmos. The object gizmos include the move, rotate, and scale gizmos. They can be aligned to the world, global, the object, local, a face, normal, gimbal, the view, or the 3D cursor. There are also gizmos that are specifically for empties, lights, and cameras that you can enable or disable. The Overlays drop-down menu allows you to enable or disable various guides, including the grid for orthographic mode, the floor, axes, which intersect at 0, 0, 0. The text information at the upper left-hand corner of the 3D viewport, the 3D cursor, and any annotations that you may have created. You can hide various objects and object information, disabling relationship lines, motion paths, and origins. Disabling extras will hide lights, speakers, force fields, empties, lattices, and cameras. Armatures have their own checkbox to enable or disable visibility in the 3D viewport. The wireframe option makes the wireframe of all objects visible even if you are not in edit mode. This includes geometry that Blender is creating based on the modifiers of the object. The face orientation shows the front side of the face as blue and the back side of the face as red. This is important whenever it comes to some simulations, particles, and baking normals. You can hide or show the motion tracking information for objects. I don't have very much information on this as I've never had to use this myself in any animation. The viewport shading options change depending on if you are in wireframe, solid, look dev, or rendered mode. The solid mode has the same options as the workbench render engine. The wireframe mode has fewer options, and the look dev mode is the Eevee render engine and has the least options. The rendered mode simply shows how the viewport would look if rendered. This was a long topic, and if you are still here, I would like to thank you for watching the video, and happy animating.